Hello and welcome. In this screencast, I'm going to go through how you would share a video on the HiER site. We can embed videos here that are hosted on either Vimeo or YouTube, and I'll walk through, I guess, sharing a video on each of those sites. Okay, so the first thing that you want to be looking for in this process is that you're logged in, which I am here. And then you would go to the Contribute section. And we want to create content, and specifically we'd like to create a video. So, just for the sake of demonstration, first off I'll show embedding video from Vimeo. And I've just taken some of these videos from the Chicago History Museum, and I think we're going to just try, for demonstration purposes, sharing this three-part series just to show you how you would share multiple videos. So it would seem that the title is Fashion Next, so let's type that title in. Oh, looks like I've already done that. And the author or presenter, I don't know who that is. Does it actually say on the first video here? Perhaps it does. Let's open it up in another tab. Well, why don't we just say that the presenter or author is the Chicago History Museum. Okay. And I don't know what dates these videos were created. Oh, it looks like 2 years ago, February 15th, 2009. Okay, I don't know if we can go back that far, but let's try. Was that February 15th? Yes, February 15th. Okay. And I don't know when the third part, because I suppose that would be the range of these dates. Let's see, May 6th, 2009. Okay, so I don't know. I mean, you can put whatever you like in here, but let's see, May, again, 2009, May 6th. So we've got a date range there. Location, one assumes Chicago, Illinois. And here you can enter any kind of description that you like. I mean, we're entering descriptions for 3 videos, so I don't know. I think it'd probably be easiest for us to just cut and paste these descriptions here. Oops. And you can just highlight this with your mouse if you want to just copy a description from the page itself, as I am doing here. And I'm on a Mac, so that's Command-C to copy. If you're on a PC, that's Control-C to copy. And then Command-V or Control-V if you're on a PC to paste. And I don't know, do these videos have different descriptions in each case? Or no, it looks like probably the same description on each. So you could, if you wanted to, in this description field, label your descriptions. You could type several paragraphs of text here. You can go nuts and bold it because this is a rich text editor, and then you could have, a description for video 2 and bold that, and then, type a description for video 2 here, and then video 3, same thing, and there we would type a description of video 3. I don't know, maybe even this is just, oops. Maybe this is just generic description. You could you can organize this however you like, basically. It's just a a rich text field for you to type whatever you want into. So now I'm just deleting this, and just for the purposes of illustration, you would type a description of video 1 here, maybe. Anyway, so that's just a little demo of sort of what you might be thinking of doing in that box. And now, but how do we haven't sort of made any reference to these links to the videos, and that's what we do down here. So, for the first video, here we have the video loaded on Vimeo, part 1 of 3. Now, what is this link? Where are we going to get that from? If you have the video selected and loaded in Vimeo, you'll notice up here it says vimeo.com / and then some number. And that is the video link right there. You can just go into the location bar on your browser and copy it. Command-C on a Mac, Control-C on a PC, and Command-V, Control-V on a PC to paste that link in there. And then we want to add another item. So part 2 of that series, let's just open that up in another tab there. Once you've got that loaded, go into the location bar, Command-C to copy, and Command-V to paste, or Control-C and Control-V if you're on a PC. And finally, we want to add a link for the third part in the series, and I think we had that loaded in this tab here. Yeah, part 3 of 3. Go back up into the location bar, Command-C, Control-C on a PC, and Command-V or Control-V on a PC to paste. So you can see there we've got 3 different links, 3 different videos. You want to make sure, of course, that these are looking different and that those are in fact links to the 3 different videos. Okay, and then we select language, English or French, in this case English, and yeah, we've got everything filled in, and we want to now save. Okay, and it tells us that the video, Fashion Next Chicago, has been created. And something I'd like to bring to your attention here is that the background here is a little bit pink, and that's to cue you to the fact that this contribution hasn't been published yet. You won't find it anywhere on the site. It's gone into the, sorry, that backup menu keeps popping up there. Please just pay no attention. I think my trackpad here on the notebook is very sensitive and it keeps popping up. Yeah, so this background is pink, and that's to cue you to the fact that it hasn't been published. It's gone into a queue on the site for the site editor to go through and approve if they deem it appropriate for the site. What you will find is that once it has been published by the site editor, it will show up on a couple places on the site. It'll show up on our feed here on the home page. You'll see the title show up here, and then when you click through, you'll see the actual, well, this is a podcast, but the feed on the home page is for both podcasts and videos. I think this here is a video. Click through and you would see your particular contribution here, if it's been approved by the site editor. And you will also notice that under resources here, and videos and podcasts and videos, we have a link of links to all the different video contributions. And so your video will eventually show up here when it's been published. But we've just submitted it, so it's pink, and it's not showing up anywhere on the site. Now, what if, something that you had typed here wasn't to your liking, and you wanted to change that? Well, we've gotten this nice confirmation page here, and look, there's an edit tab, so we could go in there. We can edit any of this stuff if we like. We could change the dates, we can do anything, that we've just done. You can delete a video if you have changed your mind about it. Okay, but I mean, I think we're happy with everything here. Another thing we can do is we can translate our contribution. So we could add a translation here and enter a French description and French for all of these different fields if we felt like we wanted to share this contribution on the French version of the site. And you can do that at your discretion as well. And then when you had made your appropriate edits and changed everything to the appropriate French translation, you would then save. And again, it wouldn't be published until the site editor had approved it in the queue. Now, that's all very well and good, and we got that nice little confirmation dialogue when we contributed our content. But what if we've, clicked around afterwards and we thought, oh, you know what, those dates were wrong. Maybe I want to change something in the description, but where did it go? Because it's not here under podcasts and videos, and it's not, going to be showing up under our resources section there where we looked at the list of videos, because, it hasn't been published. So where can I go and find my unpublished contributions? Well, if you go into your account, my account here, here's my account, and you'll have your contributions and your unpublished contributions. And if you go to your unpublished contributions, lo and behold, here is our Fashion Neck Chicago video contribution. Oh, sorry, unfortunately that menu keeps popping up. Please disregard that. Anyway, so here we are, and again, we've got access to the edit and translate tabs. And yeah, and sometimes here you can gain access to your account in the sidebar as well, and your contributions and unpublished contributions, and there it is, your unpublished contribution. Go in, edit it if you like, make any changes. And I think that's really all there is to it. That's all there is to making that contribution of some videos that you've, think might be of interest to other than your site members.